we go.
Hello everyone, this is John again with Money on the Floor Currency Trader, and I'm going over John's money scalp. And basically we have A plus arrows, 50 moving average, trending candles, the 9 and the 20. We have the RSI set to 14, which is a colored RSI. We also have the X over, which is, I believe, the 15 set at 2-3, and the other one is the 30-minute, and that one will be set at, I believe, 1-3. Let's see, yeah, 1-3, correct. A little bit faster than normal because it's a 1 minute chart, so I tried to speed it up. The whole idea of this system is basically when the candle comes underneath the 50 and we get the first one to turn red, it came back, it pulled back up, it turned red. At that time you're able to sell, and you would sell it down, it pulled back up again. And remember, your stop loss needs to go above the 50, probably about 3 pips maybe. And then once we get the double red with the arrow, that's a very strong sell. You could go in with one lot here and then double it up with maybe 5 more lots and run this down. And basically do not need to exit until the top one turns green. Right there it turned green and you're able to get out there, so that's perfect. You got all this all the way down, and basically what it's doing is getting you the 1 minute chart underneath the 50 moving average and actually helping you get out. And then over here you can see we had the arrow, and the top one's green, so it's still a buy. You can take the buy on that just knowing it's in a downtrend, so you're going to take that up. Now on this one here, you can either wait for it to turn red, or you got the opposite arrow, you can get out right there, that's not a problem there. Or when it turns red, you would exit, still a good spot, you didn't lose as much. Or you could use a trend line on that because it's very steep move, and since it was only one, it was going to be counter trend, so you know it's going to be quick and fast. And then what happens is set back up, you had a sell arrow, but it wasn't able to sell till right about there, and actually went underneath the right, probably that candle right there. You could sell, it is underneath the 20, but it's best to go underneath the 50, but you already lost some money. So when the candle's red and the 9 and the 20 is red, basically where I got it right here, everything's red, it's basically okay to sell. I would be selling at that point, and I would be exiting down here. Now you don't have to exit on the opposite arrow. You can bring this, keep going all the way down until you get to the green one right there. Boom. This told you to exit at this point. Plus what happened is, let's see if it happened anywhere else, the close and above, like this one here, went above, closed. You could actually exit there if you wanted to, or you exit here. It's going to be the same thing. So when you cross and close above the 50, not break, close, then you would close the trade. You would either get out here on the green X over or the green candle right there that closed. Either way. And that's how I run that system. Works out really well. I like it a lot. I think it's going to work out well. I just wanted to show it off with you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up. But it's very easy to see. Basically, we get another green candle. It goes above the 50. Next candle is the buy. Everything here is green. But we have to wait for the next one here to go green. Now it becomes a buy. And you can buy into that, and then right here you get a second buy, which is a stronger buy you can get in, and you don't have to exit that one until, actually it's still going in. Now it did violate the 9, you can exit at that point or wait for the other one to change over. So that's the other thing, and I think it might have changed over here at this time and you probably would have got out. I'm sure that one there would have went red at the time and you probably would have exited at that time, and then at this time you can get back in if you wanted to and trade that back up. But that's how the system works. It's just for quick scalping, so that you can put a little bit larger lot size on it. Maybe start out with one lot here, but when you get the double, go to maybe 4 lots, 5 lots, kind of bump it up, and then get out as soon as you make some profit. This here might have been enough. I mean, for gold, that would have been plenty to make $500, $600, $800. I mean, you don't have to go very far. And if you're trading Nadex, works really good, but wait for the doubles. Don't get in on the singles, wait for the doubles, and then maybe be on Nadex, and then you would pump it up, and then boom, you're done. I mean, you don't have to stay in long because you can just set your profit target to get in and out at Nadex wherever you want it to be, maybe $100. And it's just for quick, easy $100. So like if you're trading this one during the day, it'd be $100 quick, $100 quick, and you're done. So on Nadex, but it has to be the NAS 100 because it's going to make more. The gold will do it, but it's not as fast. Nadex, the NAS 100 just makes much more money on the moves much faster on the Nadex, so it has high leverage, which is good, which is what you want. You want a lot of movement real fast, get in and get out. All right, you guys, let's make some money in the markets, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.